guys, welcome back to PWG. Natalia here. Our success keeps growing. So today I'm going to call to one successful applicant. He is here in UAE. Let's see what he has to tell us. Hello, Mr. Edwin. How are you?
I'm good.
My name is Natalia. I'm calling you from PWG. I would like to know how do you find this process applying with PWG?
First of all, I met my friend. He told me that PWG is hiring some factory workers, chefs, a lot of jobs. So we decided to last April 2021, I applied.
And tell me please, why have you decided to immigrate exactly to Poland?
These are much opportunities, less expensive than living in Dubai.
Yes, for sure. And you will get in some years citizenship, and you will have a
Yes,
pension, and your children will have free education. For sure, a lot of
Yes.
benefits. Tell me please, what job have you applied in Poland?
I applied as a factory worker.
Imagine, eventually you got your work permit visa in your passport and you come to Poland. What is the first that you would like to do in Poland?
I will see the places first before I work and observe the culture.
Now, please, Mr. Edward, prepare, because I have a very, very good news for you. Because
What?
I want to tell you that your work permit visa is ready and it's time to be happy. Yes, just congratulations. What do you think and what do you think?
Of course, very happy. Thank you, Mrs. That's I'm waiting this one. I applied. I reappealed last Wednesday only. Last week, last Wednesday. I'm happy for this. Of course, at last, no? I can see Poland. I can see Justina, my friend there.
Yes, all your friends you can see in Poland. So wishes,
I'm sure.
wishes
Because they are
come
my
true.
FB friends. I will contact them. Thank you very much anyway to the PWG, all the agents and all the people who working in PWG. Thank you very much. I advise to you to all applicants, be patient. Your time will come also as well.
Yes.
Thank you
sure.
very much, Mr. Celia. Please, see you in Poland.
Well, guys, join to success team, apply with PWG and let your dream working in Europe and Canada come true.